Today we'll be unboxing the April Ipsy Glam bag. So this retails for $12 per month. Let's see. And every month it comes with a bag. It's always a different bag every month. It also comes with this information guide and tells you what's included in your bag and how much the price of everything is and what they are. So the first thing that was not included in the bag, it was on the outside, is the choice item that I chose for the month of April. And you can always choose one product per month that you want in your box, and I chose the Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So let's open it up. This is what it looks like. It's the yellow color. It's a cream consistency. And it smells good as well. Okay. And that is a deluxe sample, but the full size of that retails for $48. Okay, let's go on to the next product. The next product is the Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. That's what it looks like. And the full size of this retails for $46. Okay. The next item is this Araceli blending brush. This is what it looks like. And this retails for $14. The next item in the bag is the Neogen Real Vitamin C Serum. It helps brighten, revitalize, and hydrate skin. So the full-size version of this retails for $38. And now we're on to our last product. Which is the Seraphine Botanicals Berry and Juice Vegan Lip Gel. It's kind of like a lip gloss. And this is what it looks like. Looks like this pink gloss. It smells really good too. I love the smell. And the full price for the full size is $19. So that's everything for the April Ipsy Glam bag. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.